today I made a lot of progress toward making my own Minecraft game. Now, this feature is huge, guys. I can draw on a cube from anywhere and any distance in the world. Now, but this feature is not much about drawing as much as it is about identifying the cube that we're looking at. Now, this is a fundamental feature for games like these, and the scale it works on is amazing. Now, I think that this is a huge progress for just one more day of work. This is only the third day that this game is in development so far. Now, this might look like a simple feature. All we're doing is just drawing on a cube, right? But when working with OpenGL, it's not at all that easy to set this up. I'm using something called instancing, which allows me to render a lot of cubes at the same time on the video card. Now, if you're a game developer, you know how difficult this might be. Simply using a for loop is not going to work that well. Your world is going to be so slow. So instancing allows you to solve that problem. And as you can see, there's, I think there's 1 million cubes actually in this huge cube. And it's still working very fast. Tomorrow, I'm going to expand on this feature, and instead of changing the color, I'm going to change the texture on the cube at that point. This will allow me to dynamically change any block in the game to any texture that's available in the texture pack. Now, the texture packs for this game will be 32 by 32, at least right now. So 32 by 32 means that we will have 1,000 textures that we can apply to any block in the game dynamically, just in the same way as I'm applying color to these bricks right now.